Ready? Set, go.
Okay, go.
Yeah, come on.
You're mean. Are you mad?
Try to take it.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
Ah. Something wrong with you.
That is Paul's bird.
Come on. Hey, no, you don't.
He's nice. Yeah.
How come you're so mean? That could be my finger. What about you, Petey? You coming out? Come on. Come on. Hi, Petey. What are you doing? 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 What are you doing, Petey? What are you doing? What are you doing, Petey? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
You're gonna bite your finger off.
What are you gonna do? Oh my goodness. You are mean today.
Okay, that is Paul's bird. This beautiful bird is mine, right?
Come on, beautiful bird. Come on. No, no. Come on. Come on, Petey. You wanna come? Come on.
Yeah, I can just bite your finger off.
You are angry.
Yeah, I am.
You're nutty.
You're gonna have headache, dude. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Here you go. Are you mean?
Honey, he's gonna knock himself out.
Are you mean ring neck? I don't know about that.
Look this. Hey,
Oh no, you don't.
look when he opened. Look at this, honey. Hey.
Whoa!
He shake whole freaking cage. What, baby? Come here. Now we're gonna see.
What you doing?
Hi, baby. Hi. Turn that on.
Okay.
You're a good girl, aren't you?